Toyota not going to make cars in Japan? Toyota is recognized as one of the world's largest automobile manufacturers with a rich history that spans back to 1937. The company was founded by Kiichiro Toyota, and its headquarters are located in Japan. In this video, we'll explore the latest Toyota news and what it means for the future of the automotive market. Stay up to date with the latest updates from the Toyota CEO and learn more about the changing trends in consumer preferences. Over the years, Toyota has established itself as a leading innovator in the automotive industry with a reputation for producing high-quality and reliable cars. Throughout its history, Toyota has created several iconic models that have left a lasting impact on the automotive industry. Some of these models include the Corolla, Camry, and the Prius, which helped to popularize hybrid technology. Despite global reach and presence, Toyota remains strongly rooted in its home country of Japan, where it has a significant presence. The company's commitment to quality and innovation has earned it a reputation as one of the most respected and trusted car manufacturers in the world. Toyota has grown to become one of the largest car manufacturers in the world since its establishment in 1937. Headquartered in Toyota City, Japan, the company has a significant presence in the country as well as in other regions around the world. Toyota is known for producing reliable, high-quality cars that have become household names. Over the years, Toyota has produced some iconic models that have captured the imagination of car enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. The Toyota Corolla, for example, has been in production since 1966 and has become one of the best-selling cars in the world. Other popular Toyota models include the Camry, Prius, and RAV4, among others. Toyota has also been at the forefront of innovation in the automotive industry. The company was one of the pioneers of hybrid technology with the introduction of the Prius in 1997, and it continues to invest in developing new technologies that improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Today, Toyota remains committed to its vision of mobility for all and continues to produce cars that are accessible, affordable, and reliable for people around the world. Toyota's current position in the auto industry. Toyota is currently one of the leading automobile manufacturers in the world. With a market share of around 10%, the company competes with other global giants such as Volkswagen, General Motors, and Ford. According to recent data, Toyota has sold over 10 million vehicles globally, making it one of the top-selling car brands worldwide. Additionally, the company has a production capacity of over 10 million vehicles per year, making it one of the largest car producers globally. In recent years, the auto industry has experienced significant changes, with a shift towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly vehicles. Toyota has been at the forefront of this trend with the development of its hybrid and electric vehicles such as the Toyota Prius and the Toyota Mirai. The company has also invested heavily in research and development to produce more advanced autonomous driving technology and connected vehicles. These developments demonstrate Toyota's commitment to adapting to the current trends in the industry. However, like many other automobile manufacturers, Toyota has faced a variety of challenges in recent years. For example, the company faced a global recall of its vehicles in 2009 due to safety issues, which damaged its reputation and resulted in a significant financial loss. Additionally, the COVID-19 pandemic had a significant impact on the auto industry, with a drop in demand and supply chain disruptions affecting production and sales. Toyota was not immune to these challenges and experienced a decline in sales and production during the pandemic. Despite these challenges, Toyota remains a dominant force in the global auto industry, with a focus on innovation and sustainability. The company's commitment to these values, combined with its vast production capacity and strong brand recognition, positions it well for continued success in the future. Toyota's innovation and sustainability efforts. Toyota has been at the forefront of innovation and sustainability efforts in the auto industry for many years. One of the most significant contributions that Toyota has made to the industry is the introduction of hybrid vehicles. In 1997, Toyota launched the first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, the Prius, which quickly gained popularity among consumers who were looking for more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly cars. Since then, Toyota has continued to invest in the development of hybrid technology and has introduced several other hybrid models, including the Camry, RAV4, and Highlander. In addition to hybrid vehicles, Toyota has also been investing heavily in electric vehicle (EV) technology. In 2020, the company announced plans to develop a solid-state battery for EVs, which could potentially revolutionize the industry by providing longer driving ranges and faster charging times. Toyota has also made a strong commitment to sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. In 2015, the company announced its Environmental Challenge 2050, which aims to reduce carbon emissions from its vehicles and production facilities to zero by 2050. To achieve this goal, Toyota has been implementing various initiatives, such as using renewable energy sources in its production facilities and developing new technologies to reduce carbon emissions from its vehicles. In 2020, Toyota announced a new partnership with Tesla to develop new EV technology and also unveiled plans to build a prototype city of the future called Woven City, which will be powered by hydrogen fuel cells and will serve as a testing ground for new sustainable technologies. Toyota's leadership in the auto industry when it comes to innovation and sustainability is widely recognized. The company has won numerous awards and accolades for its efforts, including being named to the Dow Jones Sustainability World Index for the 15th consecutive year in 2020. Despite its leadership in sustainability and innovation, Toyota has faced some challenges in the industry. For example, the company has faced criticism from some environmental groups for its continued production of gasoline-powered vehicles. However, Toyota has remained committed to its long-term goals of reducing carbon emissions and achieving zero carbon emissions by 2050, and continues to invest in new technologies and partnerships to achieve these goals. Toyota's presence in Japan. Toyota has a significant presence in its home country of Japan, where it plays a key role in the country's economy. The company has numerous factories and production facilities across Japan, employing thousands of people in the process. Toyota's production facilities in Japan are some of the most advanced and efficient in the world, which allows the company to produce high-quality vehicles at a low cost. One of the most well-known Toyota models produced in Japan is the Corolla, which has been in production since 1966. The Corolla is known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability, and is a popular choice for both Japanese consumers and consumers around the world. Another popular Toyota model produced in Japan is the Camry, a mid-size sedan that is known for its comfort and spaciousness. Despite its success in Japan, Toyota faces a number of challenges in the market. One of the biggest challenges is changing consumer preferences, as many Japanese consumers are now opting for smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles. Toyota has responded to this trend by producing more hybrid and electric vehicles, such as the Prius and the Mirai, which have been well received by Japanese consumers. In recent years, the Japanese auto market has been undergoing significant changes, with a growing focus on electric and hybrid vehicles. This has led to increased competition from other auto manufacturers, both domestic and foreign, who are also investing heavily in these technologies. Toyota has responded to this competition by continuing to innovate and develop new technologies that improve the performance and efficiency of its vehicles. The company is also exploring new business models, such as ride-sharing and car-sharing, which could help it adapt to the changing demands of Japanese consumers. In addition to its efforts to stay competitive in the Japanese market, Toyota is also committed to reducing its environmental impact and promoting sustainability. The company has implemented a number of sustainability initiatives in its production facilities, including the use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Toyota has also partnered with Tesla to develop electric vehicle technology and has invested in a number of renewable energy projects around the world. Overall, Toyota's presence in Japan is an important part of the company's global operations, and the company is committed to staying competitive in the Japanese market, while also promoting sustainability and reducing its environmental impact. With its strong track record of innovation and commitment to quality, Toyota is well positioned to continue to thrive in the Japanese market and beyond. Toyota's future plans. Toyota has ambitious plans for the future, with a focus on sustainability and innovation. One of the most significant goals Toyota has set for itself is to become carbon neutral by 2050. To achieve this, the company is investing heavily in research and development to create new technologies for the auto industry. Toyota plans to use a combination of electrification, hydrogen fuel cell technology, and other innovative solutions to achieve this goal. Toyota is also working on creating new models and technologies that will appeal to consumers in the future. One of the most exciting new models is the electric SUV that Toyota plans to release in the near future. This vehicle is expected to be a major competitor in the electric vehicle market, and it will showcase some of Toyota's latest technology innovations. Another upcoming model that consumers can look forward to is the Toyota BZ4X concept car. This vehicle is a fully electric crossover SUV that is designed to be both practical and stylish. It features a sleek design, advanced technology, and plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The BZ4X is expected to hit the market in the coming years and could be a game changer for Toyota. However, Toyota is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges Toyota faces in the future is increased competition in the electric vehicle market. As more and more companies enter the market, Toyota will need to work hard to stay ahead of the competition and continue to be a leader in the industry. Additionally, changing consumer preferences could also pose a challenge for Toyota. As more people become interested in electric and hybrid vehicles, Toyota will need to ensure that its models remain competitive and attractive to consumers. To overcome these challenges, Toyota plans to continue investing in research and development to create new and innovative technologies for the auto industry. The company also plans to work closely with its suppliers and partners to ensure that it has access to the materials and technology it needs to create the best possible products. Additionally, Toyota will continue to focus on sustainability and environmental initiatives, as this is an area where the company has already shown significant leadership. Toyota is a global leader in the auto industry, known for its innovative products and commitment to sustainability. The company has a long history of producing high-quality vehicles, and it is well positioned to continue to be a leader in the industry for years to come. With ambitious plans for the future and a focus on innovation and sustainability, Toyota is a company to watch in the auto industry. Toyota's presence in Japan is a significant part of the country's economy, with numerous factories and production facilities employing thousands of people. Despite facing challenges in the Japanese market, such as changing consumer preferences and increased competition, Toyota remains a key player in the industry and is well positioned to adapt to future trends. Looking towards the future, Toyota has ambitious plans to become carbon neutral by 2050 and is investing in new technologies such as electric and hybrid vehicles to achieve this goal. With upcoming models such as the new electric SUV and the Toyota BZ4X concept car, consumers can look forward to even more exciting and innovative vehicles from Toyota. If you want to stay up to date on the latest news and developments in the auto industry, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and family who may also be interested in learning more about Toyota and the auto industry as a whole.